how to type the squared symbol on Windows PC or laptop. This tutorial shows you how to type the squared symbol using a simple keyboard shortcut. First, open any app where you can type, such as Word or Notepad. After that, click on the spot where you want the symbol to appear. Let me show you. From there, check that numlock is turned on, since the Alt code method requires it. At this point, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. In the next step, while still holding Alt, type 0178 using the numeric keypad on the right side of your keyboard. Following this, release the Alt key once you've typed all 4 numbers. Once done, the squared symbol will appear instantly wherever your cursor was placed. From here, if you're on a laptop without a separate numeric keypad, press FN and numlock together first to enable the hidden number pad. Keep in mind, this shortcut works across most Windows apps, but if you're specifically in Word, typing 00B2 followed by Alt and X also works. Finally, repeat these same steps anytime you want to insert the squared symbol again. And that's it. If this guide helped you type the squared symbol on Windows PC or laptop, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.